Well, I am making the anime character Zoro with pencil colors. Let's get started.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you.
So first मैं face draw कर रहा हूँ जो कि काफी broad है in comparison to other anime.
Last breath, every heartbeat.
I am drawing with the outline pencils जो sketch बनाने के लिए pretty cheap and easily available in the market है.
You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing.
मैं Zoro का face aggressive look बना रहा हूँ where he holds the swords in his mouth. And always use freehand drawing for getting the better result. If not, use the grid technique for the beginner use, but it not get far better result in future. अगर इस तरह की और आर्ट की ट्यूटोरियल चाहिए तो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फॉर गेटिंग द नोटिफिकेशन इन फ्यूचर वेयर यू डोंट मिस द एनी आर्ट वीडियो रिलेटेड टू दिस चैनल.
And the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
So finally the sketch is completed and comment करके ज़रूर बताना कि sketch is pretty or bullshit and enjoy them.
If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing.
So the next step is coloring.
What do you expect me to say? You know that I will always find a way to fuck up everything that we ever made.
So मैं face पे different type of skin tone color कर रहा हूँ with the domes color pencil.
Another shot. We've had enough, I think it's time to stop. I fucked up everything we ever made. Some people change, but you know I won't.
पहले मैं skin tone कर रहा हूँ and then using pink color to highlight the
Make
skin.
everything okay. Don't trust me, forgive me.
After pink, I use the light brown and red color to dark the skin tone and always use light red color for getting the better result.
Trust me, believe me, you have to run away. What you expect me to do? Push you away when we're both feeling blue. No lies can help with what you're going through. Some things can change, but you know it won't. Why do we wait for the worst? Everyone knows that the ending is cursed. This ship is sinking, so just say the
For
word.
hair color, I use all type of green color, which is the hair color of Zoro.
I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, forgive me. You have to find a way.
So I am speeding up the process because it takes too much time to complete. So enjoy the video.
Believe me, you have to run away. I let myself go. Until the same. It's never better when mistakes are made again. You know we're not the same. Hurting will break the chains. It's never better when mistakes are made again. There's poisons in my veins. Liars are all the same.
Bye-bye. Don't remind me how you feel in every way.
So here's the final result. Hope you like it. Subscribe जरूर कर देना if you are new to the channel.
Dummy, I played for your entertainment. I'm not your